Alright guys, here we are. We're here with my buddy George. I've always come to this guy. He's always taking good care of me. So you guys hear the startup. That's the sound like. That's stop. Yeah, buddy. You about to change that.
You want to keep it there?
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take these mid mufflers off. This is it here. We're gonna keep the legal stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and keep those back there too, but these coming up. See you soon. Alright guys, so I just wanted to chime in real quick and tell you guys what I thought about the delete. on the 2017 SRT 392 manual 6-speed. It's bananas, yo. Like, that cold start is ridiculous. Sounds amazing. When you really get on the throttle, like on freeway, whatever, that thing wakes up, sounds like glass pass. The pop after it is beautiful. So I'm loving it. You know, I would like it a little deeper, maybe a little deeper growl, but we'll figure out how to make that happen. But I'm satisfied, man. I really love it. You can tell that I'm in a 6-speed manual. You can hear it coming when you really get on it. If you want to make it quieter, just go into a higher gear when you're starting off or whatever. But overall, I'm loving it, y'all. You'll hear me on these streets. Cali, baby. Also, guys, if you guys enjoyed this content, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm just now starting this YouTube channel. I've got a lot of content I want to share with you guys. I've got some kids that are wild, which are going to bring some good content to YouTube. But there's so many things I want to do, so many videos I want to post. I hope you guys allow me to just post my life and what my family's life is. Hope you guys accept it, love it, share it, and help me turn this into something that we can make into a career. So, awesome, guys. I hope you guys like the channel. Hope you guys like the content. Hope you love the sound of this Challenger. We also have a CTSV coupe that we're going to be doing some modifications to. So help me, guys. Help me grow this channel. Appreciate you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit the bell, share, and everything else that comes along with YouTube. Peace.